crimper. A small climbing hold that can only be held with the tips of a person's fingers. Chiefly Britain, a hairdresser. A device for giving hair a wavy appearance. Someone who adds pleats to fabric for clothes, drapery, etc. A tool used to crimp, to join two pieces of metal. An instrument for crimping or ruffling pastry when making a pie. A curved board or frame over which the upper of a boot or shoe is stretched to the required shape. A machine for crimping or ruffling textile fabrics. C R I M P E R. Crimper.